It's Howdy Motors back to school used car and pre-owned sale. And we're lowering prices because it's time for these cars to go.
And what else, Timmy?
Oh yes, Miss Heiser, and we'll pay for your gas. Miss Heiser, you're killing me. What do we got here, Lonnie?
We got a 2009 Subaru Impreza, the WRX, the fast one.
Wow, beautiful car.
Too high.
All-wheel drive,
That's too high. 2777.
plus free gas for the school year. What's this next one here?
2010 Hyundai Accent GLS,
Okay.
great gas mileage.
Great gas mileage.
Sonny, that is still way too high.
Wow, 13.5.
13,566.
Let's put that on the lot.
Now we have a 2010 Subaru Forester, all-wheel drive, turbocharged even.
Turbocharged,
29,976. That's too high.
You're killing me.
26,976.
plus free gas for the school year.
You're going to timeout.
Hurry into Howdy Motors back to school used and certified pre-owned sale, and we'll pay for your gas for the school year.